To generate an AI wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy S26, you're going to open up Settings, and then you're going to tap on Wallpaper and Style. From here, select Change Wallpapers and come to this section labeled Create with AI. Now you have four options available. You have Generative, Creative Studio, and Weather. Depending on which option you tap on, you'll be prompted to enter in a prompt so that you can create a wallpaper. If you choose the weather option, this will just be based off of your location. So if your area is currently snowing, your wallpaper will show snow falling down. So you can choose to try it out now if you want to. Again, you need to agree to the Galaxy AI terms of service. And to do that, you will need your Samsung account. But if you want to use any of the other options, you can always go ahead and select them. And again, agree to the terms of service and generate your wallpaper. So say for example, you decide to go ahead and tap on one of these prompts here that you can customize. So you can go ahead and select it, and then you can just tap on generate with AI. And once it's been successfully generated, you should see the results appearing. So you can go ahead and choose one of these options, or you can just customize it to your liking by choosing another format or another combination that you wish to use. Then tap on generate and wait to see what you're given. And then when you're satisfied with whatever option that you've been given, just tap on set and then set it up as you would a normal wallpaper, and then tap on done to save the changes. And now when you glance at the lock screen and the home screen, you should be able to see your wallpaper has been successfully set. Bear in mind, because it is an AI generated image, even if it's a wallpaper, the AI generated content tag will still appear on your screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.